kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is number names from 30 to 40. So let us start our class. 31 THIRTY 31 ONE 31 32 THIRTY TWO 32 33 THIRTY 33 34 THIRTYFOUR 34 35 THIRTYFIVE 35 36 THIRTYSIX 36 37 THIRTYSEVEN 37 38 THIRTYEIGHT 38 39 THIRTYNINE 39 and 40 FORTY 40. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.